Imagine having a magic tool that reveals the perfect moments to enter and exit the market. Sounds like every trader's dream, right? Welcome back to Income Nomad. In today's guide, we'll explore 5 of my top trading tools on TradingView. These bad boys are absolute game changers for traders, whether you're taking your first steps or refining an advanced strategy. Let's jump right in and uncover these essential tools. The first one is the IC Unicorn. Think of the ICT Unicorn as your reliable trading buddy who never misses a beat. Designed with precision for savvy traders, this indicator blends the intricate strategies of the inner circle trader with a sleek and user-friendly interface. Here's how it works. The ICT Unicorn merges breaker blocks and fair value gaps to highlight golden trade opportunities. When these two elements overlap, the indicator generates a buy or sell signal complete with stop loss and take profit targets. Alerts can be set for these signals, and you can monitor their performance using a handy backtesting dashboard. It shines on assets like Solana in the 5 and 15 minute time frames, but works across markets. Integrating this tool into your strategy, you'll spot high probability trade setups like a pro. Next up is Helicat AI Theta, a smart tool for spotting market momentum shifts. It focuses on 2 key candlestick patterns, 3 black crows and 3 white soldiers. These patterns indicate potential trend reversals, whether bullish or bearish. The indicator also incorporates adjustable moving averages for better signal filtering and includes a cooldown feature to prevent overtrading. To maximize its potential, tweak the settings, set MA2 length to 150. Adjust the cooldown period to 100. This ensures a higher profit factor while reducing noise. Add a volume reversal indicator for exits, and you've got a solid setup for any market condition. If you're looking for simplicity without sacrificing effectiveness, the Market Slayer indicator is a must-try. This tool combines moving average crossovers with trend confirmation to provide clear buy and sell signals. Think of it as a traffic light for trading. Green means buy and red means sell. It's beginner-friendly, highly customizable, and perfect for capturing extended trends with minimal false signals. Alerts keep you updated on key market events, making it ideal for traders who prefer a hands-off approach. Now let's talk about the AI-powered breakout indicator. This advanced tool uses artificial intelligence to adapt to market conditions, tracking pivot highs and lows to identify critical support and resistance levels. Its standout feature? An adaptive moving average that adjusts dynamically, ensuring timely and accurate buy or sell signals. For added clarity, the indicator includes visual aids like horizontal lines and arrows, making it easy to spot breakout opportunities. To optimize its use, pair it with a long-term EMA for confirmation. Whether you're trading on 5 or 15 minute charts, this indicator's precision will blow your mind. As for the last one, just check the recommended videos on your screen and choose either of them to learn how to automate any indicator or strategy into a fully automated bot with alerts. And believe me, you'll thank me later. So there you have it. Don't forget to backtest and customize them to fit your style. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the description for links to other useful tools and resources. Until next time, happy trading.